Have you got some leftover barbecue but you just don't know what to do with it? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a super tasty, quick and easy recipe you can use up some leftover barbecue with. So whether it's just been Christmas or you've cooked too much at the family barbecue, you've got leftovers and you want to use them up. The way I like to store leftovers is by vac sealing it. You'll get much longer out of it and it seals in all of that flavour. We've got some leftover beef short rib for this one. If you haven't seen our beef short rib video, this is leftovers from that one. I'll put a link down in the video description if you want to check it out. And the best way I like to reheat my leftovers in a vac seal bag is by dropping it in a pot of simmering water, which is what we're going to do now. So you don't want to overfill your pot because you don't want to overflow it. Just want to fill it about half full and let it go. So from frozen, that would take about 25 to 30 minutes to heat back through, but that's been thawed out, so it's only going to take around 10. And while that's happening, we're going to get a salsa ready because in this video, we're going to be making some leftover beef rib nachos. All right, so here we have a green jalapeno, a lime, a red tomato, and a white onion. We're going to start by dicing up this white onion. So we'll go with half a white onion for now. And we'll get our tomato in with it. And we're going to de-seed our jalapeno. In goes our jalapeno. And then in that mix, we've got a generous squeeze of lime juice. I'm going to use the whole lime for this. I like it nice and zingy. And you can either season it with some salt and pepper, but we're going to use some of our garlic galls. And give it a good mix around. And we can put that aside in the fridge. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, so we can get our short rib out. We'll take it out of the vac seal. And look at that. Still beautiful, tender, and juicy. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dice it up into little bite-sized pieces. All right, and then in a tray, you want to get some corn chips. You want to lay down about half of what you want to use, and then you want to put a layer of cheese, a layer of our short rib, the rest of your corn chips, more cheese, more short rib, top it off with some more cheese, then into your barbecue or oven at about 150 Celsius or until that cheese is melted nicely. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. Our cheese is melted nicely, as you can see. So we'll get this out and finish it off. All right, so I'm going to finish this off with some sour cream, some guacamole, and then our beautiful salsa. And now we can taste. All right, so we'll make sure we get a bit of everything in there. Oh, that looks good. That's such a good combo. You've got that beautiful tender beef short rib. You've got a fresh zingy salsa, the crunchy corn chips, the cheese, everything about it. That's such a good way to use up some leftover barbecue. I'll put the recipe down in the video description for you to reference from. And feel free to add your own toppings and make it your own. Get creative. But for now, that's the end of the video. I'm going to go eat the rest of that off camera. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.